Hello everyone, this is Rimal here from BioPlus Water, and today we will be talking about the installation procedure of the HydroGen machine. Basically, you need to take care of two things. If you have borewell water coming at your house, you will have to install an RO, and then from the RO there will be direct connection in the HydroGen machine. If you have municipal water coming at your place, you will have to either install a normal purifier or an RO purifier. Then you can put the input water directly from RO in the HydroGen machine. Let us say this is the input water pipe. You need to simply fit it at the left side of the machine. That's the input, and the output will be coming from this end. So now let us look at the different options for water you have here. Basically, you'll need to press the on off button once, and to avail hydrogen rich water, you'll need to press the hydrogen button. So once you do that, the hydrogen rich water will come here from the output. Now if you wish to drink the purified water, which is directly the input water, you can press the purified button. So the purified button will come from the output. So one very important function which you need to run twice a week is the cleaning function. Basically, you will have to clean this machine after every 70 liters of usage. So to do that, you need to press the cleaning mode and let it run for 2 minutes. The machine will automatically turn off after the 2 minutes of cleaning. So please make sure you do that twice every week. The cleaning mode gives out O3 rich water, that is ozone rich water. The ozone water can be used to clean pesticides and fertilizers which are present in the normal fruits and vegetables. This water also has many other uses like brushing your teeth, washing your face, and much more. Please visit our website to know more about it. So basically, this machine gives out hydrogen rich and negative ORP water. If you want to increase the pH, and if your input water pH is acidic or neutral, you can increase the pH by the pH enhancing filter which includes in the box. Now let us see how you install the same. So in the box you also get a pH testing liquid. That's the filter, and there's this extra pipe which I'll show you where you need it. So you will have to remove this cover. There's this special space given for fitting this. To remove this safety blue color pins, you need to put this to close this end. Please make sure. And then you need to use the small pipe to fit this here. And then you need to put all the safety pins again. So once you have made sure you have put the safety pins and also have blocked this end of the pipe, the machine is ready to be used. And now you will get antioxidant hydrogen rich alkaline water. So that is all for the HydroGen machine. Please connect with us for any other further queries. This is Remal here from BioPlus Water, and this was the installation process of the HydroGen machine.